Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everyone? I hope all of you guys are well. So, English learning is a process. We should always follow the process. Without following the process, we cannot learn English. By the way, I don't feel good mentally because nowadays my situation is not good, and my all kind of situation and economically and physically and all kind of situation. So I would like to request to all of you, please pray for me that my almighty Allah give me a strength, give me a, what can I say, give me a patience to overcome, to survive this situation. And I also practice my English learning process every day, but I cannot practice because of my mental problem. So if you guys support, you guys if you guys can support me, which is will be really well for me, because I need all of you guys love and support. Without you guys love and support, I cannot do anything. So I need all of you guys love and support, and please pray for me, and stay with us, subscribe this channel, like, comment, share. And this mental situation is a mental problem right now, is a increasing day by day. So when we feel mentally sick, then we should talk with other. And you can open your mobile camera and you can talk with yourself, which is also really great thing, because a lot of people are alone. They don't have any relatives, they don't have father, mother, they don't have any kind of relatives in this earth. All kind of people goes to grave. So living alone is very lonely, and living alone is a very unhealthy. And living alone is a very pathetic for all kind of people. So let's try to make a community, and let's try to make a better friendship, and a better community. And let's try to reach out each other, and let's try to help each other. And if you don't have money, if I don't have money, you will give me the money. If you don't have money, I will give you some money. If you don't have other thing, we will give you other thing. And we will help each other. Then we can overcome all kind of problem, you know equally. And when we will help together and each other, then all kind of problem will be solved, which is really great thing. And let's try to do something for each other, and pray for me.